watching outside the changing weather. It was so sudden that the sky darkened. A little while later, the sun so hot hid itself from the rain. Just like you,